In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a device from your Nordvpn account, a simple way to keep your connections organized and secure. First, open the Nordvpn app on your computer or mobile device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Next, look at the left-hand panel and click on Devices in MeshNet. This is where you can see all the devices connected through your Nordvpn meshnet. Now, click the drop-down arrow beside MeshNet to expand your list of connected devices. Find the device you want to remove, then click Deactivate. Keep in mind that this will unlink your devices and clear file transfer history. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Remove Device to permanently remove it from your Nordvpn meshnet. And that's it. You've successfully removed a device from your Nordvpn account. This quick step helps keep your network clean, private, and clutter-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides.